How to fix Beats Studio3 not charging. So there are a number of different things can cause your headphone not charging. So the first thing that you want to check is the charging cable and power source. So you want to try different USB cable. Sometimes the cable is not working, so try to use a different USB cable and see if you can charge it. So plug the charging cable into the charging port right here, and then try to use a different USB cable. You may also want to use a different wall charger, so not just laptop. If you usually charge your headphone with a laptop, try to use with a wall charger and avoid cheap or low power adapters. Faulty cables are the #1 cause of charging issues for your Beats headphone. Okay, so number 2 is to inspect and clean the charging port right here. If you look carefully, the charging port is just below here. They are quite small right here. In here, sometimes it can accumulate dust and debris. So carefully inspect the port for any dust or lint. You can use a toothpick or a soft brush and gently clean it. Now do not use any metal objects because it can damage the wires or the pins inside the charging port. So even a tiny bit of debris can stop charging completely. Another thing that you can do is to reset your Beats Studio. So you hold down the power button right here, the power button, and the volume down button on this side. So this is the volume down button right here. So you press and hold on both buttons for 10 seconds. To do that, let's do it now. So press and hold on both buttons and hold it for at least 10 seconds. Once you see the light start flashing, you can let go of the buttons. So here you can see the white light start flashing. Now we can let go of the button. So release when the LED light start flashing. This resets internal firmware without deleting anything. Okay, so that is one thing that you can do. Another thing that you can do is to check LED charging behavior. So plug in and watch the LED. So plug in this charging cable like this. Plug it in. So let me see if I can find it. Okay, so plug it in. And then we're going to see if the light is flashing white or red. If it is flashing white or red, it is charging. If no light at all, it could be possible cable, port, or the battery issue on your headphone. With your USB charger, have a close look at it. Try to use the charger between 5 watt to 12 watt USB wall adapter. Avoid any fast chargers that may not be compatible with your Beats Studio headphone. Okay, fix number 6 is to let the headphone cool down. If the headset are hot, leave them unplugged for 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that you can try to charge again. Overheating can temporarily block charging the device. And lastly, it could be that the battery may be dead. It is common after years of usage. So if you are looking at your headphone, if there is no LED light, it won't turn on, or reset doesn't work, then the internal battery may need replacement. It is quite common if there is a heavy usage after 2 to 3 years. Okay, and that's it. Those are the 7 fixes that you can try with your Beats Studio headphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.